How to boost internet speed instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to boost your internet speed instantly on your PC. Let's get started. First thing you need to do here is simply go ahead and open up Device Manager. And once you open it up, you can find Network Adapters. Click on this drop down, and from here you can find your wireless Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it, go to its properties. Once properties opens up, go to advanced, and then you should find your option here for your preferred bandwidth. Make sure you select this and you use this. Select your preferred bandwidth. Make sure you select 5G first. Click on OK and you should be good to go. Once that is done, you can close this out, close everything out. Then again, search for Control Panel. Now in this case, all you have to do is go to Network and Internet, then go to Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Setting, then right click on Ethernet, go to its properties, and from your properties you can click on Configure, and then from here go to Advanced. Now you can just go ahead and head over to this. You just go ahead and search for Speed and Duplex. Click on the drop down, select the highest value possible, and then click on OK. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.